Subscribe to the Helpful Techniques and press the bell icon for more updates. Hello everyone, my name is Piravrat and welcome to the Helpful Techniques. So friends, I am again back with a new job opportunity. This time SCL is going to hire for the role of product support engineers. So before discussing further, let me say something. So friends, if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for latest updates, because it is not possible for me to share the off-campus details or the video links each time, because I don't have your contact details or anything or your mobile number. So it will be better to stay connected by subscribing and pressing the bell icon, because we are going through a very tough situation and it is very much difficult to get a job right now. So whenever I am uploading something, you'll be able to get the notification on timely basis and will be applying for the role as soon as possible, because if you are not able to apply for that role, other people may take a chance. So I am requesting you to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, because if you subscribe to my channel, in return I will not get anything, because my subscriber is very much less, but I am trying to help you. So please press the bell icon. So if you see here, freshers can also apply for this role, because here you can say their requirement is of 0 to 5 years of experience candidates. So if you are a fresher, then it's fine, you can apply for this role. So it's for Hyderabad location, and they have not disclosed the experience, already disclosed. They have some mistake done, have some mistake. So here you can see the job description, who are skilled in HTML and CSS or the JavaScript, and the excellent communication and the customer services experiences. That means you will be contacting, or you can say supporting the customers. So in order to support, you need a good communication skill. So it depends whether you will be working in a chat support or in a telephonic support. So you must have the basic ideas about HTML and CSS. They are not asking for HTML5, which is the latest version. So it's fine, because it's the basic HTML5 one, like header, title, etc., etc. So you can watch YouTube videos about HTML and CSS. All these basic things are there. It will hardly take 1 to 2 hours to get trained on this. If you face any difficulty to learn this technology, you can contact me, or you can comment me in the below the in the comment section. I will definitely try to help you. So here you can see, you must be willing to work in a night shift, because it is a rotational shift, and the salary offered is here. You can check. If you are a fresher, then you will be getting 18.7k plus company benefits and the incentive, and or you can say the allowances, like night shift allowances and the extra shifts. If you are doing, then you will be getting the extra incentives, like you will be getting 2 to 3 k, or you can say 2 to 3,000 per month extra incentives. So totally you will be getting 20 to 21k every month, because whenever you are doing a night shift, then you will be getting extra salary or the incentive according to your working hours. So it depends how much they are going to pay for night shifts. It depends, but basically you'll be getting 2 to 3,000 rupees per month on the incentive basis, or you can say on the extra basis. So if you go down here, you can see uh, here you can see the details. Like main thing is that you have to provide all these things. You have to mail to the HR at the sonia80 at the rate hcl.com. You have to put the subject line job application hyphen product support analyst. You have to provide the uh, this as a subject, and you have to provide the below details as well. Your current location, willing to relocate to Hyderabad, willing to work in night shift, yes or no. You have to provide current CTC. If you are a fresher, then it's fine, you have to put at 0 expected CTC. If you are a fresher or anything else, you can put according to a requirement, according to your wish. Notice period you can provide. If you are a fresher, then you can provide put at 0 days. If you are not a fresher, your notice period is 15 days or 1 month, you can mention it here. After that, simply you have to attach your updated resume and send the mail, this mail id, which this it. So you can apply for this role by the help of sending email to her sonia80@scl.com by providing all the basic details and attaching your updated resume, and they will contact you if your resume gets shortlisted. So thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. So have a good day.